Hello everyone, I'm Ananya from G330 and today I'll be presenting about my project that is Joyverse. So first let's start with the scope of the project. We aim to make Joyverse a real-time emotion analysis system that will analyze the facial expressions of dyslexic children while they engage in educational games using a transformer model. Now, based on these detected emotions, we will dynamically adjust the game elements like difficulty levels, themes, etc. And all of this will happen under therapist guidance. Now, coming to the business case of the project. The main challenge with current traditional teaching approaches for dyslexic children is that it is a generalized approach. Now, there might be a few things that one child might excel at, and the same set of things might be quite challenging for other children. So, having a generalized approach for all of it seems quite ineffective, and that is where we step in. We aim to provide personalized learning experiences for dyslexic children. Also, it might be quite challenging for therapists to keep a track of everything manually. So, we will provide a platform for dyslexic children so that they can play educational games while we capture their emotional data and we present it graphically and visually to the therapist so that they can understand the emotional trends of the child over time. And they can also make necessary interventions and tailor their learning methods and teaching methods to cater to the needs of the dyslexic children. The main users of our project are dyslexic children and therapists. For dyslexic children, we provide personalized, engaging learning experiences that adapt in real time. For inputs, we capture their facial expressions while they play game. And for output, we dynamically adjust the game based upon the emotions. Now, for therapists, we provide emotional insights of the children to tailor their interventions effectively. For inputs, we provide a feature for therapists to select the themes for the games based on the children's needs. And for output, we provide them emotional insights so that they can tailor their interventions effectively. Coming to the data sources, we couldn't find an existing data set with proper children's emotional data. So all the teams from our project are contributing 50 images per emotion to build a shared data set so that we can later on use it. Face mesh integration. Face mesh is a machine learning model that will detect and map 468 facial landmarks. We will take these landmarks as input features for our model and the corresponding emotional labels as outputs, thereby tagging each image with an emotion. And we'll do the required data pre-processing for it. And the tech stack we'll be using is Monstack along with the Transformer AI model. And yes, we're planning to deploy it on cloud. This is our architecture diagram. We have three main parts: the client part, the server part, and the database part. On the client side, we have dyslexic children and therapists. So while dyslexic children play games, we'll capture their facial expressions and send it to the server using API requests with the help of Express.js and Node.js. Then the server will process these requests and send the data to be stored to MongoDB. It will also send the facial landmarks to Flask-based transformer model, which will give us an emotional label as output. So server will then collect these outputs. Then we display the emotional data visually and graphically to the therapist so that he can make the necessary interventions. He can also select the themes based on dyslexic children's needs. Then we deploy our project to cloud. I conclude by saying that Joyverse is a tool that will make learning more engaging and supportive for dyslexic children. Thank you.